what's up, guys? It's Brian, and this is the
Opens family.
And today we got a challenge for the kids.
Yeah.
So the challenge we have today is that we have different prizes in here, and it's gonna be the ping pong challenge. Each one of them is gonna get a ball, and they gotta bounce it and make it in one of these cups, and they could win a lot of prizes. There's gonna be $1,000, $2, $1. There's gonna be a lot of different stuff in here, and let's see what they get. First, we gotta see who goes first. Why is my shorty guy in the back? We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Okay, you guys are gonna pull it out what you have, okay? Ready, set, and go. No, Aiden, you gotta pull it out. Okay, let's go again. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, and go. Ooh, Aiden covered all the rocks. And I cut the paper. So Nathan goes first, Aiden goes second, and go. Do it one more time between both of you guys. Go. Oh, you're supposed to pull something different. You gotta bounce it like this. Look.
Like this. Look. You just like.
I'll show you.
Oh!
You got the crowd over there. When someone makes it, you guys gotta cheer. Ready, Nathan? Oh! Wait. Let's see what Nathan got. You guys ready?
Yeah.
We got $5. Aiden's turn. Who's excited for Aiden?
My brother.
So I'm gonna put this cup back, and it's not gonna have nothing. So you cannot get nothing, Aiden. Okay, go. Oh! Whoa! Aiden, what happened, Aiden? You ready? Oh my God! Oh! Wait, Nathan's turn again?
Go, baby.
It could be good, it could be bad. I don't know. Let's see what he got.
I hope Nathan gets the strawberry with applesauce.
Let's see what Nathan got in here. It says Nathan has to eat strawberries and applesauce.
I knew it.
Nathan, are you excited to eat strawberry with applesauce?
Yeah.
I didn't show you guys the little notes, but there's applesauce with cheese, nasty jelly beans, yogurt, and strawberry with applesauce. What Nathan's gonna have right now. Get a strawberry, put it inside, and take a bite.
Eat it.
Ah!
Yummy.
Whoa! Did you like it?
Going all in.
Go! Oh, you go, baby.
Nathan.
Oh! Wait. What did the judges say? Does that count or no? Oh! Oh! Aiden got $2. Ready, Ryan? Go! Oh my God, you hit it. But you didn't get nothing.
I'm gonna use the stool this time.
Okay, he's gonna use a stool this time. Let's see what he gets. Oh! It looks scary for you here, Aiden. Let's see what he got.
No!
Let's see what Aiden got in here.
Wait, let me open it.
Let Aiden open it.
These strawberries. Yes! These strawberries and applesauce!
Wait, shh.
Dip it right.
Ooh, he likes it. Look at him. He's gonna eat the whole thing. You like it or no? Ryan, let's go. Oh! Check it out.
I gotta know.
Brian has to eat a raw egg. Oh! Who's taking out the egg?
You want them to eat it so bad?
Oh no. Are you ready? I can't. I don't know if I can.
Not too bad.
You don't
Here,
want that.
give me another cup. It's like, in case I gotta spit it out.
You're too big. Just go. Just do it.
Brian, you need to be the stuff that's more than enough. Fine.
If we get a lot of likes, then we'll do it. Now it's gonna be Nolan's turn.
I can't believe Brian.
Oh, you guys don't have to worry about it. It's still $1,000 on the line.
Coconut ball.
Oh, let's see what he got. Prank call someone. Oh.
Yay.
Who do you want to prank call?
Dad.
Okay, they want to prank call their dad. Let's see. When we call him, this is what he's gonna hear.
Hello? Hi, you cut me off off downtown yesterday. I was in...
You guys excited?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, you cut me off downtown yesterday. I was in a red Honda Civic. Well, look, I work at a DMV, and I traced your license plate and got your number.
No.
Look, I'm
Wasn't
just
me.
calling you to say you really need to be aware of your surroundings.
Wasn't me.
I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm actually doing you a favor. How did you get a license anyway? Don't test me. I could have your license suspended if I wanted. Why do they let the mentally impaired operate vehicles? Why? Tell me, why? You've just been pranked by prankdial.com.
Hello?
What's up, Dad?
What up?
Dad, did you hear the prank that we did on you?
Yeah, I heard it. You got me.
We got you, Dad.
I was like, wait a minute. I was downtown yesterday.
Tell him we'll talk to you later.
We'll talk to you later, Dad.
All right.
Oh, he got his lucky ball. He said, oh.
I have it.
Hey, let it on the table. Go. Oh, Aiden got $5. Help him. Somebody help him. Somebody help him. Throw it up or bounce it. He's playing with one cheese in his hand too. Look at him. Good job, Nolan. High five. Oh, someone's out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cups left. Look at him. $1,000.
I got $1,000.
Oh, Ryan got $1 first try. Here goes Nolan after that win of $1,000. Oh, Nolan has good luck now. Look at him. Let's see what he got. Eat a spoonful of Jello and cheese. Nolan's gonna get a spoon of Jello and cheese. Yeah, that's nasty. Yes. Yes. Oh, one hand. Let's see what he does. Oh. Oh, let's see what Aiden got now. Hop on one foot for 15 seconds. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, good job. I'm gonna put less cups on the table. That way we could get through this game really fast. So we're down to 3 players, Ryan, Aiden, and Nolan, because Nathan is taking a break. Ready? Go. How much money did you get? $7. Let's go.
Let's go, Christian. There's more.
Oh,
You got more money.
you got a note in there too, though.
Yes, and I got money. So
Let's see what note you got in
wait.
there. Eat nasty jet.
Yes!
Okay, let him spin the wheel. Oh,
So-
he gets the
So I can either get the
booger.
the pear or the booger. Let's see.
Oh, juice
Booger.
pear or the booger.
No.
Ah, he likes it. Okay. Oh!
Well, no one's getting all the money.
Good job. How much money did you get? You got $1, 2, 3, $4. And this is the final one. Ready, set,
Go.
oh. Oh, Ryan got $1.
Give me my money.
So that wraps up the video. We got a couch full of winners right here.
I got
Nolan
some.
got $1,004. Nathan got $5. Aiden got
$9.
$9. Ryan got that's
5,
5, 6,
1,
7, 8, 9, 10.
More than Aiden.
It's okay. Everyone won, right? And I didn't win nothing, but I had to eat a raw egg, so it was fun. We all had fun. We had the crowd right here cheering for everybody. Yee! Make sure you comment and like the video, babe. So that wraps up the video for today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you
Like, subscribe, comment the video. Have a great Thanksgiving, everybody that is watching. Bye.